Alright, you guys, hello. These two little ones will be going home to meet their mommies. Say hello. This is Thandie. So I'm the Thandie kit. Yes, I am. Yeah, look at her, y'all. And then this is the Morgan kit. Say hi, everybody. Alright, everyone. I'm about to get these two. Hey, what's up? Get these two packed right here. Get them ready to go home. Yes, yes. All right. Bear with me. So I got freckles. Say I got freckles. She's got freckles, y'all. The little feet-feets. Little feet-feets. She like, I'm ready to go. Come on, TT, pack me now. Pack me. You, what? You pout-pouting? You pout-pouting. She like, pack me, TT. Pack me too, TT. Pack me. Pack me. Pack me. Okay. Alrighty, y'all. We got Reborn Morgan. Say hi. And we got Thandie. They're going to be getting packed to go home. So she's got her little goodies right here. Her birth certificate and my card up under there. Yes. And then Thandie got her little goodies. That's her little goodies right there. Her birth certificate. She does have a COA. She is a limited edition. Or she may not be a limited edition, but I don't know. This came with her, so I'm going to send it with her. And her bottle. Her blanket. Again, this is Thandie. And then Reborn Morgan. Alright, y'all. Let's get these little ones ready to go home, okay? Hold your stuff, girl. Hold your stuff. I'm gonna move her stuff to the side. I'm gonna do. We're gonna do Reborn Morgan first. All right. So we got her little blanket right here. Morgan, where's her box? Here go her box, y'all. There go her box. Right over here, so all I gotta do is wait. Yes, girl. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Say hi to everybody. Say, I'm getting ready to go. You ain't looking at them, girl. Say, I'm getting ready to go. Yes, I am. Okay, where did your little mittens go? All right, put your mittens on, girl. Say yes, TT. Yes, TT. All right, come here. You ready? I'm going to wrap you up and give you just a second. All right, tell your mommy to breathe for you till you make it home. Say on the count of 3. And this is not hurting her. She is a reborn baby doll, which is collectibles for adults. And I am not a real baby. You ready? Say 1, 2, 3. Say breathe for me, mommy, till I make it home. All right. It'd be nice when they fit all the way in here. Sometimes they don't, though. Sometimes they don't. I just have to put it over. But y'all know them big babies. Mm-hmm. All right. Girl, TT got it. TT got it. All right. this has to be making it kind of slippery. All righty. We got her all snuggled, wuggled up. All right, girl. You ready to get in your box, your airplane ride? Yes, TT. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whee! And say, I got plenty of room in there, TT. Yes, you do. Okay, hold on. We gotta do this like this. Hold on. All right, y'all. We got her in her box. And now what I'm gonna do is put her little goodies in there. Okay. I'm just gonna set them in there like that. And she's tiny, so she has room. Okay, and her little pacifier. All right, so we're gonna take some of this, secure her in there. So she don't go anywhere. Yes. She don't go anywhere, TT. That's right, princess. We don't want you going anywhere, okay? All right. And she is packed. All right, where is my tape gun so we can get her weighed? And this is Thandie, not Thandie, Morgan. Okay, I need to actually, so once I close the box so I know which baby it is, I'll write the name on. If I have more than one, then I will write the mommy's name. Alrighty. I'll do it like that first. Behind the scenes of Babyandkidsunlimited. Y'all don't be looking up under my thing because I know it's a hot mess. Okay. We know it's a hot mess. Yes, we do, TT. I'm going to make sure I connect my tape. Yeah! On both sides, y'all. Alrighty. Whew. TT burning up in there, man. I know that. I know that. All right, you guys. Now we're gonna get Reborn, Thandie. Okay, got it. Oh, we got everything. Yes, we got everything. Yes, we do. I'll put that right there. Oh, her passy. Yes, yes, and her blanket. She's got this cute little flower blanket, y'all. I forgot to tell you what kind of blanket the other princess have, so I apologize for that. Y'all, TT, your TT be trying to get stuff done. Come on, princess. So this is Thandie. Say hi, everybody. I'm about to get up out of here. Yes, I am. So I was about to go bye-bye. Okay. That you are, princess. All right, lay down for a minute. Put your little mittens on. There you go. See, there you go. All right, now, say, Mommy, you're going to have to breathe for me till I make it home. Say, yes, you are. You ready? Say, 1, 2, 3. She is a reborn baby doll that is collectibles for adults. Uh-oh. Where are you trying to go, girl? I don't know, TT. Okay. All right, princess, hold on. Yeah, I be trying to protect my work the best way that I know how. You know, because I put many hours into reborning these little ones. And yes. All right. All right, princess, you ready to get in your box? Say yes, TT. All righty. 1, 2, 3. Whee! All right, y'all. We now got her in her box. So we're gonna put her little goodies in there, and her birth certificate, my business card up under there, and then her. I don't know if it's called a COA. I don't think it's COA because, like I said, it don't have a limited edition on there. So I'm just gonna lay this like this. Gonna put her bottle right there. Y'all know them post office people be doing almost. Put her little goodies in. Okay, put one right there. One right there. Okay, one right there. Well, we can do it like that. We can do it like that, TT. Her passy. Oh, snap. TT forgot your hairballs. Hold on. All right, we got her hairballs, y'all. Her hairballs. Say, you about to forget my hairballs, TT. I know, right? All right, let's go close up this hole. All righty, girl. All righty, girl. Yes. So. All right. Got that in there. Our rose. Okay. Let's close you up. We're going to put you over there on the side. We're going to put you over there on the side. Y'all excuse the back office. I do need to straighten up. I know y'all probably see stuff under my table. It can be like that sometimes. Okay. I'm still sweating. Hold on. Huh? You loud. My bad. Bloopers. 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 Bye. Alright, so I'm gonna write on here Thandie. Alright, let's get her weight. She is on the scale. And it's reading like that because I don't have it on a flat. It's sitting on my carpet. So see, like that there. Okay. All right, we got princess on the scale, and it's reading like that because I got my scale sitting on carpet, so I'm pretty much used to how it reads. There she is on the scale. So that is actually 6 pounds, and so what I'll do, I'll just round it off. It's 5.05, so I'll just round it off to 6 pounds. Alrighty, y'all, so we got Thandie going on up here, and there she go, and there go her box right there. And y'all know it's reading now 7.7 pounds. So I will just round that off to £8 for shipping. Alrighty. There you go, y'all. There you go, y'all. There you go, y'all. And there goes the other one. Say we about to get up out of here. Yes, we are. Yes, we are.